So today we are going to hike together with our church family. And sama kayo sa amin. Let's go. Hello. Kanina pa kayo?
Mga
15 minutes.
Okay ra.
Hindi ka naman yata mag-hiking.
Ha?
Hindi ka naman yata pumunta sa hiking.
Hindi, magpapalit ako mamaya ng sapatos. Kaya Randy, wala last time eh.
Wala ako. Absent ako.
Absent.
Wala akong info na may hiking eh.
Wala na inform.
Oo.
Oh, grabe. May bagong sombrero mga ninyo.
Absent yung mata ko sa group chat.
So, dito kami ngayon sa Bragg Creek. Bragg Creek. Fullerton. Ata? Deus area.
So, hello, good people!
Good.
Hi, good morning, everyone! Good to see me! It's been a long time.
Grabe yung exercises tigla.
Walang ano.
Me too. Butt out, butt out. Tayo eh.
Hey.
Garbage collector naka. Tapos hiking na kayo. Wala talaga sa Inday. Did you guys pay the pass? Hiking. Ay, naka-video pala. Ay!
Oh. So, okay na. Alis na, alis na.
Oh, nice. Yeah, this is the rugged one.
Yeah.
So are they about the same price?
So it's actually super good because it's giving you all the information. And honestly, I really like them. And you can listen music, answer calls.
They're talking about the Ray-Ban Meta.
What's the sale?
Yeah, well, I got them for, I'm not sure if that was Black Friday or
You are covered under the health insurance.
Yeah, true, true. Where are you planning to go on your break?
Bolivia, Chile, Guatemala, maybe Peru.
Wow. That's far.
Tapos sabi nila, I thought it was a kid friendly.
The kids are doing better than us. It's like, who was afraid of the kids?
They are always like super energetic.
Good thing hindi ko sinama si Noah. Grabe ang elevation punta dito. Manghihina ako.
Lumipat sa Northeast. Wala na. Wala na jogging. Hingal. Hingal ng mga matanda. Mga naingon nga, tinood dito yung 45.
See, ganong elevated
Kaya
to.
kumupito po ng bear.
Ay, wala po.
Wala.
Nabinili ko
Papo,
kahapon.
tamnan, og durian, diri dapita.
See? Wow.
Oh, diri lang, anak kag sako. Anak kag sako ba?
Og di masalo ah.
Og di masalo dito.
Igo gid mong tiil.
Oh. Og di masalo kagay.
So just for the record, this trail is not kids friendly. Like small kids. So if ever huwag kayong pumunta dito na trail. There's also another trail for kids. For a kids friendly trail. So that one you can use. Grabe yung mapasikreto mong kuha ti dyan.
Huli ba?
Huli!
Cute, no? Hey!
Let's go.
We miss you here, Noah.
We miss you here, Noah. Buti na lang hindi sumama. Patay.
Balik ka.
Grabe yung elevation. What view. The beauty. The beauty, guys. Ang ganda.
Huge gummies.
They are sticky.
Sugar.
I'll try one. Oh, it's all sticky. Okay, thank you.
You are gonna try to
Hey,
get
guys!
one, I got three.
Don't get too far away. Wait for the bears.
Wait for the slow bears.
Take a picture.
Happy Father's Day!
Lisa daw.
Wow.
Wow! First time ba yan namin? At saka ano? Yes!
Please, sa pagkakataon mo na.
Yun oh!
Sige, sabay ko pa. Ay, na! Yes!
Kuha gyud. Liz, dami mo dala Liz ah. Bibenta ka Liz, nagbibenta.
Nagtitraining na siya.
Training?
Pamain po, pamain.
Pamay.
Pink and black. Ay, pink and, oh, both three.
Kamusta yung trail?
Ha?
Easy, moderate or hard?
Nanggawas ang rayuma.
Nagawa sa kayo. Easy, moderate or hard?
Moderate.
Moderate. Moderate pa we. Easy. Yor. Maluya na din.
Asa na ba yan mo kuha ng haluan?
Easy, moderate or hard?
I love hiking.
Moderate?
Moderate.
Moderate?
Moderate.
I'm looking forward to every hike. Joanna. How's the trail? Light, moderate, or hard? For the kids in the future. Say it, Joanna.
Sabi mo na friendly.
Just on the safe side.
Where's the kids?
Tama day. Anago na?
How's the trail, Tay? Easy, moderate, or hard?
Moderate.
Moderate. Moderate. Confirm. Dur, nari ka Dur? Kusuga ni mo mulakaw Dur eh. Ana di kay kagbaklay ba? Ha.
Vlog, welcome back to our guys.
Sorry. Amo little vlogger o wala ka vlog ron? Na forgot mag-vlog. Yung drama mo Dur.
Video makay guys. Vloggers na tali.
Vloggers para natay memories ba? Bragg Creek Trail South. Pastor, how was the trail?
Good.
Easy, moderate, or hard?
Too easy.
Too easy. Let's go.
It's
How about you? Easy or hard?
easy.
Easy. Princess, easy, hard ang trail. Moderate. Easy? Oh, let's go. Easy. Liz, easy pala to, Lizzy.
Super easy.
We need a harder one.
Let's go the one in Canmore, Pastor.
No sweat.
No sweat. Pinunasan lang pala yung sweat.
Why?
Buy
chocolate.
Strawberry something.
Di ko na-record yung TikTok ba? Pinatuyok-tuyok ba?
Let's take a picture, group picture.
Can your iPhone do this? Darda said, can your iPhone do this? No.
Put it inside the bucket.
Behind the scenes of this picture.
Okay, something. Okay, everyone. Yeah. Okay.
Moses.
The Jesus Christ leadership that is showing how to serve. Yeah. How to give yourself. It's not like you are not bossy, you are not pushing, you are actually doing by example, leading by the way that you actually live exactly.
All of them are taking a picture of that view. Ang mga tigulang, hinahinay lang. Kay grabe, ang tuhod.
Sakit ang tuhod. Arthritis. Arthritis. Nangutanap pa ka. Yes, kasi Sophie.
Kadens, kamusta ang hike? Easy?
Easy.
Easy. Easy peasy.
Easy.
Hinahanap ka ni Kati. Kadens. Short daw sila. Ayan mo. Grabe, very, very steep.
Video.
Hinay na rin, kay makita kita sa parking lot. Bye. Very steep. Downhill pala, hindi steep. Oh, sorry. Langga kay ni Kirandi ang anak oh.
Liog mangguna.
Day.
Langga kay si Quincy sa iyang papa. Kinalan wa kitag uyab si Quincy sa puhon. Inanigi ka palangga. Kay si papa nagset nag standards. Oh.
Be. Pikas.
Ang palangga Quincy. Oy.
Queen na, sis. Queen.
Princess pa jud.
Pa. Eh?
Oh.
Hugot na.
Palangga. Oy. Daga na.
Dili.
Dito tayo.
Wag.
Ang daya nyo.
Pangit dito guys, pangit.
Unahan ka sa unan.
Masyadong scary.
Sige. Alalahanin mo, nasa lupa ka.
Pangit dito. Sheesh. Scary ganun na lang. Long distance. Sheesh, higat. Let's go.
Remember, nasa lupa tayo.
Usog ka ti. Usog ka sa
Wait.
Scary. Masyado. Hawak ko ang beat.
Hawak ka ng beat dyan, ha?
Was that Caesar? Got it in the camera. Careful.
So you are editing at the same time or what?
No, just gonna edit it at home.
Oh, okay. Where is it? Ah, okay, yeah. Okay.
This way or this way?
Yeah.
This way or this way?
Let's take the chances of this way.
We survived. We survived this moderate hike. So guys, so far the hike is moderate. Sakit na mapa ako actually. And then, it's about to rain. I'm not sure kung saan kami kakain ito. Let's see. So kami we are instructed to bring shareables for everyone. So magpapatlock lang kami ngayon. I'm not sure where. Kasi baka uulan. Let's see. Let's go. Yaway, mga survivors. The survivors, the first survivors.
Survivors.
Finally, makakain natin. Ito na talaga yung iniintay ko.
So, ganap eh. But I'm not sure kung saan tayo kakain.
Doon daw, kuya.
Meron. Oh. May spot pala, okay. Moderate nga. Medyo masakit mo.
Masakit?
Pero may cover doon. Ano ba meron doon? May table o ganun? I see. Side ng river. Let's go.
Fancy.
Fancy. You go, sorry.
All right, let me do this. Oh, okay, I can see it.
Yan.
What's up, church fam? Calgary church fam. We survived. It's been how many hours?
2 hours.
2 hours up
We
the
left at
mountain,
9. And then,
and we survived. The youth is here.
Our legs
The youth is here,
are done.
here, and there. They survived. They're a trooper. I almost died, but you know, God is with us.
Almost collapsed.
Peace out.
Let's go. This is our church pastor. Oh, church pastor ba tawag yan? Or
Student pastor.
student pastor.
Student pastor.
Graduating next year?
Yes, sir.
Let's go. Hala, graduating me.
Like his pastor said, it was like, it's so easy, it's so light. It's like you guys are cheating.
Cheating. This is cheating.
See?
Let's go. So, nagsimula na talaga umulan guys, it's starting to rain. So, yung hike, I think it took us around 2 hours, more or less. Medyo mahirap nga actually, kasi sakit ng mga pa ako. So far, good decision na nagstay sila. Tsaka maulan na ngayon. Kasi kung nandun si Noah, mahirap talaga siya for small kids. Alright, right now, we're going to the other side. We're gonna eat. Let's go. So, other side lang talaga yung kakainan namin. Dito kami, pupunta lang kami other side. Alright, so we're here na, let's see. Medyo pumapatak na talaga yung ulan. May kinain mga tables day. Atop na lang, no? May kinain mga tables pero
Pero wala mo nadala pa.
sayang ba?
Wala mo nadala kay. Kuan. Pwede mo doon na may kanang upload to, nagkan may kaglamisa lang.
Dulog River. Yeah, daghan di ay.
Oo. Sabi ko sa gilid sa river dito ta banda.
Sige. Other side wala kayo. Wala di.
dito, di ka mayroon dito.
No, I mean like itong dito tagay na ba? Wala dito, no? Parking ra gid siya, no?
Parking ra to dito.
Oo. May kahilig di mag-outdoors game. Sag-asa ra mo nabot yan eh.
Ay, oo.
Balik guys, balik kay kami namin diri nga area. Sa murag sa left side. Sila tuwa sila sa murag right side. So mabalhin mi dito og park. Balhin sa mi balhin. Oh, grabe yan. Nito sa view di guys. May river. I'll show you later. Gusto na ko i-show niyo kay bangga ta. Mamaya na. Let's go. Let's eat. Gutom na. Kidis, kamusta yung bike rack? Yun oh. Nagamit mo na? So, si Kedin doon pala yung kasama ko. Nagkabit ng mga bike. ng mga hitch namin, grabe.
Okay na.
Nag-start kami 1 PM, tapos kami mga 7 PM. Nagamit mo na Kedin? Ay, hindi pa. Yan, nagamit ko na. Nandyan yung bike rack na sa loob eh.
Ay, nako-fold siya.
Yeah. See?
Pero kailangan yung tatlo kasi tatlo.
Yun lang. Ito, dalawa lang eh. Yeah.
Sige.
So, for potluck, ito lang yung dala ko guys. But guys, look at the view. Look at the view. Sheesh. Ito yung view namin for today's brunch. the view. Woo! Kaganda. Current is strong though. Ingat-ingat nas for kids. Kasi ano rin ka talaga nito. Let's go eat. I'm hungry.
Fiesta. Ini tugnaw kayo oy. Hala ka dara.
Lamig kayo lang dito sa problema kay maabot ka dito. Look at the view. What do you think of the view, guys? Oh, gaganda. Careful, careful kids ha. The current is strong. Trev, careful Trev ha.
I am careful because I'm trying to do my stick.
Okay. If madala yung stick, just let go of the stick. Don't try to chase the stick.
This is how you heal it.
Sarap.
Sarap.
That's how you heal it.
Takot ako, baka malamig.
Pero maganda yan kasi galing tayo ng high.
Nang hike.
Oh.
Love ka.
Why? So people.
Whoa, wait a second. Whoa. You jumped. You jumped too.
Escabeche, isda, itlog. Oh, need to try the pancit. So moderate ngayong hike guys kasi napagod ako. Gutom na.
Halika na. Fun lang to, pang tanggal ng stress na.
No judgment, no judgment. Grabe.
Magkakaiba.
Oh,
Magkakaiba yan.
brown out, brown out.
Wala namang video. Ang mga tatay talaga. Dapat na kaya ko effort.
Live performance. Naka-live to, papunta kay pastor. Automatic send after.
Happy Father's Day, Pastor Jesse. We miss you here.
Video tayo, i-play natin sa Mission Spotlight. Promotional talk. We're almost done. We're going home.
We were safe, and please be with us as we go home. Keep us safe from our travels. And just let me pray. Amen.
Amen. All right. Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day, Pastor. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye.
Hi, welcome to Bragg Creek.
So, natapos yung hike, guys. I highly recommend this area. If you guys are looking for something a little bit challenging, but not too much. So, okay siya na area. Fullerton, Deus area. Search nyo lang. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video.